Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Asad. Welcome back to this series of Learning Python for Everyone. I'm super excited that you have managed to download the Python and PyCharm. Now we will open a PyCharm and start a project. You should be able to see this window from our last video. If you are unsure, please refer back to the last video. Make sure to download PyCharm and Python on your system before proceeding. For this series, we'll start a new project by clicking on New Project. It will open a window like this. Now there are a few things that you need to worry about. The first is the location of your project. For location of the project, you can simply choose the default one, or you can simply click here to browse where you want your particular project to be in. I'm okay with this particular default value. All I would do is delete the last file name and create maybe a new one saying anything. Let's say I want this project for JDM. And then the next thing that I need to look is the Python interpreter. Now, if you have followed my video, the last one, you should have downloaded Python, and therefore it should have automatically selected the basic interpreter where your Python is installed. If you have not done so, please go back to the last video and install the Python. Make sure the virtual environment is selected for this particular one, and then simply click Create. Once you click on the Create button, it will automatically opens a window creating a virtual environment. Since this is the first time that we are creating a project, it will open a lot of tips and a lot of default notifications, but we don't want them now. So I'll click on Don't Show Tips, close it, got that, open this one in magnified, and this is the project file. Now the things that you have to worry about this one is this bar of the window where it shows what project are you on, the location of that project, and the files within that one. For now, we only have one file which is called main.py. .py shows the extension that it is a Python file. If you have a different format, it will be a different one, but because we're working with Python, py is the correct extension. Don't worry if this looks too much or if sounds too much. We'll go through each of them one by one. For now, all I'll do is I'll simply erase all of them because we'll discuss one by one. For readable purposes, I'll just simply right click on the main file and rename it. All I'll do is rather than a main file, we'll say maybe for now intro, and then click refactor. It will automatically update the files here as well. The second thing we can look at is click on the view button and click on appearances and enter the presentation mode. You have other options as well, such as distraction free mode, full screen, Zen mode. Since I am presenting to every one of you, I think this would be a perfect one. And I'll write all my code here. I hope this format and this font size is okay for you and you can clearly see the screen as well. If not, let me know and I'll try to update the size if I can. Now, for this particular video, this is all I wanted to show you, that how to open a PyCharm, create a new project, and be able to actually come to this particular screen where you will actually write your code, execute your code, and debug your code as well. If you have successfully managed to do it, congratulations, and then make sure to keep looking for the next video where we will actually write a code. Till then, take care and goodbye.